My people, sometimes you have to make a deliberate choice to move in silence. Not because you have nothing to say, but because you understand that clarity is often found in quiet spaces. Not every goal needs an announcement. Remember me tell you that. And not every step needs an audience. Some progress is best made away from all of the noise, opinions, and unnecessary access. You see, in this season we're in, I urge you to release distractions. Yeah, man, let them go. Not just the obvious ones, but the tiny distractions that disguise themselves as obligation, over explanation, and constant availability. You have to recognize that growth requires focus, and focus requires discernment. Don't feel compelled to respond to every message, justify every decision, or include everyone in your plans. Let silence become your boundary, and discipline becomes your language. I want you to understand that consistency matters more than visibility, and peace matters more than validation. By moving quietly, you're protecting your energy without interference. If you appear quieter, it is not absence, it is alignment. If you become less reactive, it is not disengagement, it is maturity. You're listening more, you're observing carefully, and you're acting intentionally. So, you see, for the rest of the year, my people, and onward, choose purpose over pressure, focus over frenzy, and strategy over spectacle. And when the time is right, the results will speak clearly, without explanation, without announcement, and without apology. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on a day.